Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. The last month's been pretty crazy. At the beginning of the month, we went to a cabin up in the mountains. Also, this past weekend, Memorial Day, we were in Towns, Georgia for my family reunion. So it was a lot of fun. A cool old house where our family gets together every year since I think about '84. This is part 2 of our original Florida trip after we successfully survived our river trip down the with Lacucci with our buddy David. I'm gonna grab that for me. Thank you. We went to my parents' house, and then we went down to St. Pete, where I worked out at the office for a week, and then we had appointments for Stacy to get her hair and makeup test done to test out what they're gonna do for the wedding.
And it looks like really good with my long ass neck.
So that's this video. More coming soon. Work has slowed down a little bit, so I'll be able to edit these videos and hopefully get them out all this weekend for this Florida Part 2, the LJ cabin trip, and the reunion at the old house in Towns. So that's that. Here you go.
They're on a plane to Colombia. I have no one to call. I have no landlord number. John, what is happening?